Today's learning is types of communities: rural, suburbs, urban. What is community? A community is a group of people who live in the same area or share common interests, values, and goals. Communities can be small, like a neighborhood, or large, like a city. Rural community. In rural areas, we find wide open spaces with lots of green fields and farms. These communities are usually small with fewer houses and people. People in rural areas often live close to nature and may have animals like cows, hens, or horses. Life in rural areas is peaceful and with more trees and wildlife. Air is fresh and clear. Imagine a quiet Sunday morning in the rural areas with the sound of birds singing. We can see tractors on the road and hear roosters crowing in the morning. In rural areas, kids have more space to run and play outdoors. Rural areas are away from the noise of the city. Mostly, people in rural areas have their own wells for fresh water. Suburbs. Suburbs are in between places, not too busy like cities and not as quiet as the countryside. Suburban neighborhoods have houses close together, but there are also parks and yards to play in. Families in suburbs often have cars and drive to shops, schools, and parks. There is a friendly atmosphere. Urban. Cities are big and bustling with tall buildings and lots of people. In urban areas, we find busy streets, shops, and restaurants. Many people in cities use public transportation like buses or trains. Cities are full of opportunities with schools, colleges, and universities. Entertainment like theaters and amusement parks.
Now I know the difference between rural, suburbs, and urban communities. Thank you.
See you in the next video. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe.